Hi children, this is Swarnadeepa. In this video, we are going to learn exercise 2.1. Okay, in my previous video, I explained you the introduction for chapter 2 measurement, and then I explained you some of the example problems that is related to circumference of the circle. Am I correct? So now we are going to do exercise 2.1. Okay, 2.1 fully based on circumference of the circle. Now I have written the circumference formula for your reference. So circumference C is equal to 2 pi r units. If radius is given means we have to use this formula, and if diameter is given means we have to use the second formula. Okay, here also I have to write units. Okay, units means this meter, centimeter. Okay, you should mention the unit properly. Okay, now first problem, find the missing values in the following table for the circles with radius r, diameter d and circumference c. Okay, so here in this table, first option they have given the radius. We have to find out the diameter and circumference. Next, in second option, we have to find out the radius and diameter where circumference is given. Third option, diameter is given and we have to find out the radius and circumference. If diameter, if you know the radius means radius is equal to diameter by 2. Okay, already I explained you. See, for a circle, if this is radius means this is diameter. So radius, that is diameter, radius equal to d by 2, or we can write diameter equal to 2 into radius. See, if I am extending the radius towards this side means that will be your diameter. So diameter is 2 times radius. That we can convert this radius to d by 2. Okay, divided by diameter divided by 2. That is the formula for finding out radius if diameter is given, and if radius is given we can easily find out the diameter. Okay, now we are going to find out the diameter for the first problem. This first option. So radius is given as 15, right? So what is the diameter? We have to find out. Am I correct? So diameter equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into 15. So our diameter is 30. Here the unit is centimeter. So we can write the answer as 30 centimeter. Diameter as 30 centimeter. Now next column we have to find out circumference. We know the formula for finding out circumference. C equal to, either you can find out using radius formula or else we can use diameter formula. Now I am using pi d. Okay. What is the value for pi in your problem? 22 by 7. Okay, I explained you the value for pi in my previous video. So the value for pi is 22 by 7 and the diameter, we found out the diameter as 30. Is it clear? So now I have substituted the value for diameter in my problem. Now we can't cancel this 30 and 7. So directly we can multiply. Okay. So we can write 0, 660 divided by 7. Shall we divide it now? So 660 divided by 7. 9 sevens are 63. So balance is 30. Okay. 4 sevens are 28, balance 2. I am keeping 1 point and 0. Okay, again 2 sevens are 14. We got 6. Okay. Now we can stop here and our answer is 94.2. The unit is centimeter. Okay. So our answer is 94.2 centimeter. Okay. Second question. here they have given the circumference and we have to find out the radius and diameter. So I'm going to use circumference formula C equal to 2 pi r, right? So C value is 1760 equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So I need the value of r. So r is equal to 1760. This 7 will go up 2 into 22, right? So we are going to cancel using 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 0. Okay, again I am going to use 11 table. 2 11s are 22, 8 11s are 88, so 80. Again I can cancel. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So 40 into 7. So 280 is your radius. Okay, radius we have to write unit as meter. So radius is 280 meter. Now we have to find out the diameter. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Am I correct? So 2 into 280. So you have to multiply. So 560 meter. So shall we write the answers on the table? So 280 meter and 560 meter. That is our answer. Okay. So next, third option. Third option, diameter is given. Okay. Shall we find out the radius? Radius equal to diameter by 2. Right. So diameter is 24 by 2. That is 12. 12 meter is your radius. Now, shall we find out the circumference? Yes. So circumference formula, either you can use pi d or we can use 2 pi r. So pi d means 22 by 7 into diameter is 24. Okay. So now we can't cancel. So we have to multiply. Shall we multiply 24 into 22? 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 528. 528 divided by 7. Now we have to divide. So 528 by 7. So we have to take 2 digits. 7 7s are 49. Balance 48. Again 6 7s are 42. 6 balance 0. Okay. 8 7s are 56. 4 balance. So we can stop here and the answer is 76.8 meter. Okay, this is your answer. The second problem, the question is, diameters of different circles are given below. Find their circumference. Okay, take pi equal to 22 by 7. It is given in your problem itself. Okay, so now we are going to do the first option and third option. Here diameter is given and we have to find out the circumference of the circle. So circumference formula is, here d is given. So I am using pi d formula. Pi d units. So what is the value for pi? 22 by 7 into diameter is 70. Now see these two numbers, we can cancel these two numbers, right? So 1 7s are 7, 10 7s are 70. So 22 into 10 is 220. Here the unit is centimeter. So circumference of this circle is 220 centimeter. Next, third option. Here also we have to write the formula. C equal to pi d units. So pi value is 22 by 7 into, here the diameter is given as 28. Okay. So 28 comes in 7 table. So 1 7s are 7. 4 7s are 28. Now we have to multiply. So 88 centimeter. This is your answer. Third problem. Find the circumference of the circles whose radii are given below. First option 49 centimeter and second option 91 millimeter. I am going to do the first option for you. Here it is given that the radius of the circle is 49 centimeter. We have to find the circumference. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. If r is given means we have to use 2 pi r formula. So 2 pi r units. So we can substitute the value 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius is 49. Now we can see 49 is divisible by 7. So 1 7s are 7, 7 7s are 49. So we have to multiply 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 7. So now we have to multiply 44 with 7. 7 4s are 28, 8 2, 7 4s are 28, 30. So our answer is 308 centimeter. So circumference is 308 centimeter. Then the fourth problem, the question is the diameter of a circular well is 4.2 meter. What is its circumference? Okay. So the well, diameter of the well is given as 4.2 meter, which is in the shape of a circle. So now we have to find out the circumference. So circumference is equal to pi d units. So pi value is 22 by 7 into d is 4.2. So here 42 is divisible by 7. So we can cancel this 1 7s are 7, 6 7s are 42. But here we have 4.2. So before one digit we have point. So I am also keeping before one digit. The point before one digit. So 0.6. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. How to multiply these two numbers? Let us see. So we have to multiply 22 by 6 first. Okay. So 6 2s are 12, 2, 1. 6 2s are 12, 13, 132. Okay. Here we have to see both the numbers. One number is a whole number. So we have to leave it. The next number is a decimal number. So before one digit we have point. So here also before one digit I have to keep the point. So my answer is 13.2 meter. Okay. Sixth problem. A ground is in the form of a circle whose diameter is 350 meter. An athlete makes 4 revolutions. Find the distance covered by the athlete. Okay. So here the diameter of the ground is given, and for finding out 4 revolutions we have to find out 1 revolution first. If we are finding out 1 revolution means we have to find out the circumference. Already in my previous sum I told you. So same method we are using here. So pi d units. Instead of pi I have written 22 by 7 and d is 350. I have cancelled using 7 table and I got the answer as 1100 meter. That is 1 revolution. But the athlete runs 4 revolutions. So we have to find out the athlete, the distance covered by the athlete for 4 revolutions. That is 4 into 1100, 4400 meter. Seventh question. A wire of length 1320 centimeter is made into circular frames of radius 7 centimeter each. How many frames can be made? Okay. A wire length is given and we have to make one circular. That is, we have to make circular rings, that is frames, out of that long wire. Okay. So one frames, that is the frame's radius is, one circular frame's radius is 7 meter they have given. Okay. Now the circumference is said to be the number of, that is the total length of that circumference of that wire which we made one small circular frame. Okay. So we have to find out the circumference of the circular frame first. Okay. So circular frame circumference I used 2 pi r formula. Since we have radius of that circular frame, we are finding out the circumference of that that is circular frame. So now 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. So I have cancelled 7 by 7 and my answer is 44 centimeter. So now we have to find out how many frames we can make out of that big wire. Okay, the wire, length of the wire divided by circumference. Okay, so length of the wire is given as 1320 and circumference we found out as 44. So I have written 1320 divided by 44. Now I have cancelled using 2 tables. So while cancelling using 2 table I got 22 and here 660. Okay, next I have cancelled using 11 tables. So 2 times 22, 6 times 66. So 60. Now we have 2 in the denominator. So I am cancelling the 2 numbers using 2. 1 2s are 2, 32s are 60. So totally we can make 30 frames out of this 1320 centimeter wire. Now the 8th problem. A rose garden is in the form of a circle of radius 63 meter. A gardener wants to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. Fencing. What does mean by fencing? In last term itself we have learnt this word, right? So fencing means veli. Okay. See, circular garden ku veli poda poranga. Okay. So fencing means outer surface. Okay. Outer boundary only we are going to fence. So for fencing we should find out circumference of the circle only. Here they have given the radius. So using this radius we can find out the circumference of this garden. Okay. So 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 63. So I have cancelled using 7 table and I got the answer is 396 meter. Okay. So cost of fencing 1 meter is given as 150 rupees. So we have to find out the cost of fencing 396 meter. Since the distance is 396 meter, we have to multiply 396 by 150. So after multiplying, I got the answer as 59,400. So the cost of fencing the garden is rupees 59,400. Objective type questions. 9th one. Formula to find the circumference of the circle is. Already we know 2 formulas. One is pi d units and the other one is 2 pi r. Shall we check it? So we have 2 pi r units. Okay, in our option. So if the option is given as pi d units means you can select pi d units as your answer. So next, in the formula C equal to 2 pi r refers to. What r refers to? Okay, whether r is circumference, area, rotation or radius. Which one is r? R is radius. Very good. Okay. Next, if the circumference of a circle is 82 pi, the value of r is. Okay. So if the circumference is given as 82 pi, we know one formula pi d is your circumference. So what is d here? D is 82. If we know d means we can easily find out the radius. Radius is equal to d by 2. So 82 by 2. Shall we cancel it? So 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2. So what is our answer? Our answer is 41 centimeter. The 12th question is circumference of the circle is always. We know the formula for circumference, right? So one formula is pi d and the other one is 2 pi r, right? So pi value, what is pi value here? Already we know that either we can write 22 by 7 as pi value, otherwise we can write 3.14 as d, right? So 2 into 3.14 is 6.28. Here 6.28 r. Okay. So now let us analyze the options. 3 times of its diameter. Whether it is 3 times of its diameter, circumference is 3d. No, it is 3.14 into d. So we can either say it is greater than 3. That is greater than 3d. Otherwise we can say greater than 6r. Okay, we can check whether we have these answers. So more than 3 times of its diameter we have, less than 3 times of its diameter, 3 times of its radius. 3 times of its radius is wrong. Okay, 3 times of its diameter is also wrong. Okay, now we have more than 3 times of its diameter and less than 3 times of its diameter. So here the value of pi is 3.14, which is more than 3. So we can say the answer as more than 3 times of its diameter. Up to this, your exercise 2.1 is over. So please do work out all the problems and revise it. If you like my video, please click like button. And if you didn't subscribe my channel till now means, please do subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends. All the best. Thank you.